Vector databases. A vector database is a specialized storage system designed to efficiently store, index, and query high-dimensional vector embeddings that represent data like text, images, or audio. Think of it like a library where books are organized not by title or author, but by their actual meaning and content. When machine learning models convert data into numerical representations called vectors, vector databases store these numbers in a way that makes finding similar items incredibly fast, even among millions of records. For example, Spotify uses vector databases to recommend songs. Your listening history is converted into vectors, and the database quickly finds songs with similar vector patterns, matching your taste without needing exact keyword matches. This concept builds on deep learning models that create these embeddings in the first place. Vector databases are critical for modern AI applications including semantic search engines, recommendation systems, image recognition tools, and chatbots that need to understand context rather than just match keywords. They enable AI to find meaningful connections in data at scale. Vector databases.